Welcome to another Fantaskool video. In this video, we're going to show you how to automatically generate class lists or mark sheets for students in your school. As we all know, to access the platform, you need to head over to www.fantaskool.com. Click on My Account, and then log in. Once you land on the administrative dashboard, go to Both Student on the side navigation and click on Student. You'll see two buttons at the beginning of this screen: Add Students and More Options. Click on More Options. You'll see a list of options appear. From this list of options, you'll see an option that says Generate Mark Sheet. Click on Generate Mark Sheet. You'll be presented with a new interface. In this interface, this is where you generate the class list by selecting the academic year, the class, and the sections or department. After that, you just need to click on the button Generate Mark Sheet, and all is done. The mark sheet is generated and it is now ready for you to download. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Let us know if you have any questions or if there are other Fantaskool features you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.